In today's video, I'm going to teach you overview of the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to manage users, connect your domain, and keep an eye on service health and upcoming changes, all from one place. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Microsoft 365 admin portal at admin.microsoft.com. Sign in with an account that has administrative privileges. If you don't have the right permissions, you won't see many of the tools we're about to use, so make sure your role includes admin rights before you begin. Once you're in, focus on the left-hand navigation pane. This is where most of your work happens. You'll find sections for users, groups, billing, settings, and health, among others. If your list looks short, scroll to the bottom and select Show All to expand the full set of options. That small click reveals many powerful tools you'll use regularly. Let's add a user, go to users, then active users. Choose add a user and fill in the basic information. When prompted, assign the appropriate product license so the new user has access to the apps and services they need. Complete the setup and you'll receive a temporary password. Share that password with the user using a secure method and remind them they'll be prompted to change it at first sign in. It's a simple flow, but assigning the correct license upfront saves time later. Next, connect your organization's domain. Go to Settings, then Domains, and select Add Domain. This links your professional URL to Microsoft 365 so addresses and services reflect your brand. Follow the guided wizard to verify ownership with your domain registrar. Typically, you'll add a DNS record, often a TXT record, to prove control. Changes can take a little time to propagate, so don't worry if verification isn't instant. To monitor reliability, open Health and choose Service Health. Here you'll see status icons for services like Exchange Online and SharePoint. If something is yellow or red, it indicates a known incident and Microsoft is already working on it. Checking here first helps you quickly distinguish between a local issue and a broader service event. Finally, make the Message Center part of your daily routine. This feed highlights upcoming changes and new features so you can prepare your team and avoid surprises. When you need deeper configuration, look for links on the main dashboard to dedicated admin consoles for services like Exchange, SharePoint, and Teams. That's the tour. Quick, clear, and focused on what you'll use most in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center.